How's it going, everybody? It's Android Tutorials here, and I'm back with another video. Now, this one's going to be a little different video than what I normally do on my channel. This one's going to be a video focused on the digital well-being of your phone. This should help your phone run better, smoother. It should fix a lot of your problems if you're having any problems with performance or battery. Now, I know that said software update is available, but I'll get to that later. Anyways, so here's my little tip. Most Androids should come with this feature called Digital Wellbeing and Device Care. Now, if you don't have it, then you may be on a lower Android version. My Android version is... Let's see if I remember where it's at. Sorry, wrong one. There we go. Android version is 9. So, if you're at a lower version or higher version, you more than likely should have it. Because I think the Digital Wellbeing and Device Care is introduced in the lower Android versions. Now, this one's going to be... This is your Digital Wellbeing. It tells you your unlocks, your notifications, and your wind down. Now, this changes your screen to grayscale and blocking your notifications. You can do this to wind down a little bit before you go to bed. And this is actually, that one wasn't actually the one I wanted to focus the video on, but I feel like I had an honorable mention just because it does help your phone a little bit. Now, this is the one where I really wanted to mention it. It's called Device Care. Now, this one can optimize your apps. I can't do it right now because I'm recording, but it will optimize your battery, close out apps for you, clear your cache. See, this one right here tells me my app usage, 41% with 18 hours left. This one tells you your storage. It can tell you what your storage is being taken up by, videos, apps, that type of thing. This one's your memory, which your memory is what makes your phone run. I could clean it now and it would restore a lot, but I don't want it to close out the app I'm using to record. So this one can help you as well. So if your phone's ever running slow, just go ahead and go to Device Care and hit Optimize. And now another thing I'd like to show you guys once I figure out where it's at. I swear it was in Device Care. Okay, it is in Device Care, my bad. Alright, so you go to Device Care, and you hit this 3-dot menu up here at the top. You click that, and then you go to Auto Restart. Now, you can set, I have mine set so it auto restarts every day at 4 a.m. And I will warn you, the one thing about auto restarting is if you do have a lock on your phone, when your phone restarts, it may cancel your alarms. Your alarms won't go off. You won't get calls, notifications, that type of sort, because your phone will need to be unlocked to fully restart itself. So that is the only downside. So I would recommend setting it for a time when you're awake during the day so you could unlock your phone and get all your notifications. I don't use this phone as much, so this phone is not 4 a.m. And now another thing you could also do is auto optimization, which I have that, so it does that at 3 a.m. It auto optimizes and then auto resets, which kind of counteracts each other, but this is how it was set up, I guess. So I'm going to change that now. Make it so it auto-optimizes in the middle of the day. There we go. So it'll close up all your apps, free up your memory, and it'll basically do what you would do in here, in the Device Care. That's pretty much what it would do. And you can actually add it to your app screens, which I just did that, so when you add it, where did it go? Weird. That thing just disappeared. There it is. It just now showed up. So it can get added to your app screen if you want to do it that way to make it easier. Instead of going all the way to your settings, you can just go right here, pull up your app drawer, slam it right there, and optimize your device. Now, another part of the video is going to be reducing your battery drainage. I know a few tips that will help. One of the tips is obviously your brightness. Turn that down. You do not need your brightness up too high. It even tells you right here. Using high brightness for a long period of time increases battery consumption. So you don't need it that high. You can turn that down. And another one is if your Bluetooth is on, it also gives you more like battery usage. So you can turn that off if you don't use it as much. Your location also gives you battery usage. And then another one that also gives you battery usage is auto rotate, but mine's not. Oh, there it is. Auto rotate right here. This also gives you battery usage because your phone is always awake, and when you go into an app, it is always awake, ready to rotate. So it activates a certain part of your phone for that one. It activates it's a certain sensor that tells you which way your phone's facing. So it activates that. So if you leave that off, you will have a lower battery drainage. And those are my few tips on digital well-being on your Android device. Now I'll catch you guys later in the next video. It's your boy Android Tutorials, and I am out.